Question 16. Pause the video if you want to read the question yourself. So we're told in the question 39 pence and 23 pence. We're told that the answers are A, B, C, D, possible answers, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So the total must be an even number. We are told that she bought combinations of these two, and she spent exactly £5.12. You can't have an odd number of two odd numbers to make an even number. So we have to have an even number, which means that it won't be this, this, or this. If we try just seeing what happens if we add together the 39 and the 23, and then finding out how many 62s we can get into 512. And that's 8, remainder 16. There is 16 between these two. So the difference between these two is 16. And interestingly, that is also the remainder here. So if we had 8 of both with this left over, if we then had one more of the triangles and one less of the squares, that means we'd have 7 squares and 9 triangles, which would equal 16 items. And therefore the answer is B.